My friends, it's Coach Vigue, and these are 5 fantastic Pilates mat exercises for men. So many emails, so many requests for more Pilates workouts for men. I've been doing a lot of yoga workouts for men, so here we are. Hey, do me a great favor and share this with a guy you know who really wants to do this, or you think they really want to do this. Either way, share it with them. All right, you ready? Let's go. All right, let's roll down onto our backs, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Modify as needed. Always use control and practice. Do it anywhere, anytime. Bring the head down. Arms out to the sides or to the sides. And let's take those legs, drop them back and forth. These are called windshield wipers, really opening up your rotational flexibility, opening up the abdominals. Pilates works from your core outward. Your core is your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. So everything starts here and then moves out through the limbs. But this is the center of our strength, the center of our power, the center of our physical being. Drop the legs. Exhale through the mouth as you drop to the side. Extend the top leg out if you wish. Inhale to the center. Exhale other side. Getting this nice movement in here and using your core to move you side to side. You can take the arms over the head for more of a challenge, but this is a perfect way to start. Loosens everything up. It feels great. So when it feels good, we want to do more, right? Our mind starts to celebrate, sends those signals through the body to keep going. Let's do 2 more on each side. Perhaps some spinal adjustments too. Ooh, that sun feels good. We got some hot Florida sun today, my friends. And feel that twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, into the twist. In between, you could draw the knees into your chest. We're always moving in Pilates. We never just stop. We're always doing something very beneficial. The number 2 Pilates exercise for men is a single straight leg stretch. A little different variation here. I want you to place your left foot flat. Right leg comes up. We're going to stretch all the way down the backs of the legs, tight hamstrings, tight calves, tight glutes, tight hips. Head and shoulders off the mat or the head is down. We're going to exhale. I want you to take the hands right here on the hamstring and gently pull. Bend the knee as you need to. Inhale, switch the legs, other leg comes up, and exhale. Very meticulous to start. You always want to start with a strong foundation of every exercise in Pilates, because then you could build and build. And the more you practice, that build becomes a very quick reality. Now, as this leg gets looser, you could extend it more. You could even grab higher on the leg. Inhale, exhale. You could always place the head down or put a pillow on the back of your head. You know, we say this is more of a beginner workout, but I always want it to challenge you. If it doesn't challenge you, nothing happens. So we get the foundations, and then we just boom, zoom, you're off. Like Willy Wonka and the Great Glass Elevator. Zing, you're off. There you go. There's a single straight leg stretch. You want even more, you could extend this leg out, and here we are. We exhale, pull that leg, inhale, switch. Work your way up to this, but you got the foundation already. You have the ingredients for a beautiful Pilates cake. Inhale, exhale, stabilizing from the core. This doesn't move, the legs move. Powering through. 3 more each side, each leg rather. 1, 2, long stretches. Always form over everything. 3, stretch. 1 more time each leg. You can actively lengthen behind the knee as well. You have all the tools right here, my friends. All the tools are right here to keep adapting and keep improving. Okay, knees back into the chest, rocking side to side. This is an extra credit one. I won't count this one among the 5. Of course, below in the comments, let me know which one of the 5 exercises. Actually, let me know which one you didn't like. People usually don't tell me what they like. They want to tell me what they don't like. So tell me which one just didn't seem to work. I want to know, because maybe I'll edit that one out in the future. All right, moving into the shoulder bridge. You've got to work the back, the glutes, the quads, open up the abdominals and the groin. Yes, you can open the groin. Even, here we are. Got my dad shorts on. That's what my wife calls them. Head is down, arms to the sides, feet hip width. we're gonna tilt the pelvis up. This is a pelvic tilt. You could do whole seminars on the pelvic tilt. It's huge in everything, especially Pilates. It's the bee's knees in Pilates, so we tilt up like this. This is down. When you tilt it up, you lift and your spine peels off the mat. We rise up into the shoulder bridge, opening up the chest, the shoulders, the abdominals. The weight shifts to the shoulders. Now you drop the pelvis down as you lower. You want to massage your back one vertebra at a time. Vertebrae, vertebra, just depends what region I'm in, until you come all the way down. And then exhale up. I'm going to switch the breathing. Lifting, lifting, press into the heels of your feet, lifting higher, and then drop the pelvis and we roll back down. Get used to that nice, smooth rolling motion on the spine instead of thumping. 3 more. Inhale, lift. You take the arms over the head for a huge stretch. You're opening up everything, getting some great flexibility and mobility into those muscles, joints, ligaments, tendons, and then slowly come down. What did I say? 2 more? All right, 2 more. Feet closer together for more of a challenge. Lift. Long lines. You want to keep expanding what you have. Lower down. Woo. All right, one more time. Inhale or exhale on your way up. You can play with the breath. Just make sure there's a consistent inhale and exhale. In the nose, out the mouth. Pilates breathing. Breathe in the nose to filter out toxins in the air. And then as you exhale, you could forcefully bring it all out, emptying the lungs. Lower down. Okay, shake out the legs. Bring the knees into the chest. We got 2 more. Don't want to overload this one because each of these exercises, you know, on their own is powerful. They're separate workouts on their own as well. We're doing the Swan here. We're going to open up the back, stretching, toning, sculpting. So place the hands on the edges of the mat or wider, depending on what's comfortable. And we're going to, tops of the feet are on the mat, press up. Keep it here in a Cobra, if you like, elbows here, or you can lift all the way up. Again, work your way up to this. Elbows are in. If it's more apropos, take the hands out further. I just don't put my hands in the grass a lot because of all the ants. They like to come and say hello. So we drop the shoulders down. Beware of this. We don't want the shoulders sagging or dropping. We want to lift, drop the shoulders back, open the chest. You can even bring the knees off the mat. It's similar to an upward facing dog that we do in yoga, but I'm taking the hands further apart for this one. More foundation. From here you could add, you can make it active, which means you exhale, lower down slowly. Oh, take your time, lengthen that spine. This might be the first time you've ever done something like this, so bravo, welcome. And then inhale, press into the palms, lift up, but keep that strong posture. Drop the shoulders, back. Exhale, lower. In the nose, out the mouth. Very precise. Work for a smooth flow in whatever you do. Pilates carries over into everything else that you do, mentally, physically, spiritually. I find that it smooths everything out. It focuses on breath, on flow, on purpose, on focus. Lower. Let's do one more. Feel that stretch to the crown, the top of your head. Toes are loose. Keep it loose. You still there? Okay. Remember, let me know which of these exercises was your least favorite. I can't say because I just love them all, don't I? Shoulders are back and down, elbows are in. Movement in the abdominals, the chest, the lower back. And slowly lower it down. I'm going to toss in one more extra credit here before we go to number 5. The last one, you're not going to want to miss number 5. But press back here for 3 breaths, child's pose. You want to limber back, especially if these are new to you. Don't be afraid to add in extra stretches in between. Don't just stop and sit in the corner, but keep moving. Dynamic movement definitely keeps the blood flowing, keeps your body very elastic and pliable. All right, for the last one, number 5, we're going to do a plank. with optional leg lifts. So we're ratcheting it up right away. But here's the foundation. Once we get that, everything else lifts. A rising tide lifts all boats, right? We're gonna do forearms down. Elbows under the shoulders. You could lace your fingers together, bring the hands apart. Knees behind the hips. We have a modified plank. Feel free to practice right here to get your plank status stronger. Breathing, or tuck the toes and lift up. There's little grooves in the earth here. I'm trying to find them with my elbows, probably from the last time I filmed here. You can work on this plank as you exhale, squeeze out the lungs, flex the abs, or inhale, lift the right leg. Exhale, bring it down. Alternating legs. I almost said optional. It is optional, of course, but inhale, lift without disturbing the rest of the body. I think I need to shift my weight back a little bit more. Sometimes I watch these videos when I'm editing them and I think, oh, yeah, that position of that arm or the leg could have been a little better, right? So I'm always correcting myself as well. Inhale up, exhale down. Definitely more advanced, but if it doesn't challenge you, nothing happens. There's no dynamic thrust forward. There's no improvement. There's no excitement. Let's do 2 more each side. 1 and 1. Ooh, sweating up a storm. It's almost May here in Florida. It's practically summer. It's practically here. Bring it down. Here's our plank. Hold it for a breath. Excellent. Number 5. Knees down. Child's pose. Excellent, my friends. Ooh, stretch it out. Did you like that? How'd that feel? I hear some grumbling, but I heard a lot of you really enjoying it. If this helped, please click that like button. Love that. Subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss one of these workouts. It helps me tremendously to keep these videos going out to more and more people. Share this with a guy you know. Share it on. Let them know. Anywhere, anytime, Bodyweight Fitness. It's Pilates. It's with me, Coach Vigue, so we can all do it together. All right, my friends. And let me know which of the 5 exercises was your least favorite. One you definitely won't be asking out to go to a movie. All right, my friends, as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Oh, yeah. Well, hello again, my friend. I wanted to thank you for training with me today by offering you a free, exclusive 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you need to do to get this workout is to click the first link in the comment section below, and boom, that workout is all yours. Go get it right now.